Hi, welcome back. It's been a while. Ignore my crazy hair, please. How have y'all been? I just woke up. It's currently, let me see what time it is. It's currently 7:14 in the morning. I feel like I have to catch you guys up on so much. I'm supposed to graduate in June, so it's literally right around the corner. And in the meantime, I've been doing okay. Kind of losing my mind here and there. Seasonal depression definitely hit, but now it's starting to lift. But anyways, right now I'm getting ready to go on my morning walk with my mom. So yeah, let me get ready really quickly and then I'll be back. I've been trying to like do my makeup and get ready, even if it's quick makeup. I've just been trying to do something and get ready and feel good about myself because I feel like it's actually been helping, even if I don't do anything crazy during the day. But it helps me wake up, it helps me get up, and I just feel good overall, like throughout the whole day. So yeah, I don't know. Do you get me? I've actually been thinking about thinning my eyebrows. I know, insane. But I don't know, I feel like, okay, so I've been trying to grow them out because last time I did my eyebrows, I accidentally overplucked, and I tend to do that a lot. So I said, okay, I'm gonna let them grow out and see, like, so I can get like a better shape again, right? Well, I've been letting them grow out and stuff, but I don't know, lately I feel like I've been looking at them and I'm just not happy with how they look. Like, I like them because they're full and they're pretty. I think my eyebrows are pretty, but I feel like the arch sometimes makes me look like I'm mad or something. I don't know, like, as it is, I have a RBF face and my eyebrows don't really help. But if I thin them out, then I'm gonna be like, oh yeah, and I don't like them. So I think I shouldn't thin them out, right? I think you guys wouldn't want me to thin them out, so I'm not gonna thin them out. I was just thinking about it. I was gonna do it. This is the concealer I've been using, the e.l.f. I think it's the it's the hydrating camo concealer in shade. Oh my god, I can't see, I'm blind. Light beige. Yeah, light beige. Light beige. Oh my god. And this is the foundation I use. It's the L'Oreal True Match in shade N3. I don't know if this is my shade. I normally just wing it. I think it is because it doesn't look too, like, I have a lot of redness around my like chin area and my cheek area. But I mean, I feel like it helps cover it. Nobody's told me like, oh, you look weird, you know? So, yeah, I think it works. I don't know. Who told me? What do you think? I've never realized it, but starting Wednesdays, that's when I start to like, you know, like my energy just goes down. Yesterday, I did a lot. I should have filmed yesterday, but sometimes I feel like when I have too much to do, I can't film because I'm so busy trying to do everything, you know? Like, I'm trying to get everything done. I don't really want to be focusing on grabbing my phone and recording and doing different angles and or whatever. I don't know. I'm not even that good of a vlogger, I feel, but I'm trying to be better at it. I'm trying to vlog as much as I can this year. I'm trying to put myself out there. And I don't know, I think on TikTok, I think I've been doing good. So if you don't follow me on TikTok, please go follow me. I think it's just easier to upload a TikTok than it is like to upload a YouTube video, only because like you have to edit, or yeah, it's just long form content. And you want it to be enjoyable. You don't want people to just click out of your video in like 0.2 seconds, which I feel like a lot of people do that to my videos, but it's okay. I'm a baby YouTuber, so it's fine. It's fine. Everything's fine. Everything's fine. Now I'm using my Rare Beauty blush. It's in shade Encourage, because we want to encourage all the girly pops to get ready and look pretty on a daily basis. Quote of the day, or motivation of the day. But yeah, I just apply a small dot because this one is so pigmented. I've had it, honestly, I'm not gonna lie, I've probably had it for maybe 3 years already, and I still am not even halfway through the bottle. I'm gonna use this for a very long time. Like, I'm gonna continue to use it because I just cannot get through the bottle. But it's a pretty shade though, so I don't mind. I'm not really good at picking out blush. Like, I don't know what goes with my skin tone. I see like other girlies using like coral blushes and like baby pinks, or even like rose, like red, like bright red. And I don't know, I feel like I don't know how to pick that. Like, how do you pick a blush? Who taught y'all how to pick a blush? Does it go based on your skin tone color, or I don't know. I have a lot of questions. Like, I'm not that great at makeup, I feel. I do makeup, just I feel like makeup that suits me, you know? I don't know. Do I make sense? Am I talking too much? Let me shut up. Now I'm going in with this little eyebrow gel. It's from Essence. It's called Make Me Brow in shade, I don't know. Oh, in shade Ashy Brows. I really like it. Like, it has little fibers in it or something, like to use as fillers. So I just go in and brush it out with my already painted eyebrows. It just gives it a look, you know what I mean? Like, it just gives it like that sleek. Now we're gonna tackle this hair. I washed it yesterday, so it's really poofy. Oh, my hair is short. The last time you guys saw me, my hair was like probably up to like here, or like here. I don't know, but it was pretty long. So I cut it. She's a short hair girly now. It was really getting in my way. Like, it was just, I have a lot of hair and thick hair. So if you know the struggle, then you know the struggle. I don't go out enough to even be doing my hair for me to have long hair, if that makes sense, you know? I'm normally just home. The only thing I am sad about, and I didn't think about it, because it was one of those moments where I was just like, I want to cut my hair, because I don't know, I tend to cut my hair when I'm going through stuff, like mentally, or I don't know, like, it was just one of those days. So I started cutting it, right? So I cut it, like, it's still long. So then one of a girl that's still at school, she hit me up and she was like, hey, do you want to be my model? Or, you know, because we have to work on each other and stuff. And I was like, yes. So then I thought, I'm gonna cut my hair. So then I go and I told her, I was like, okay, can you give me a blunt cut and do it short, right? I was like, perfect. Now it's actually perfect. Like, now it's good. Now it's cute. It's what I wanted. Like, it's just very manageable. Like, I get to do my hair in like 2 seconds. Even if I just do a sleek bun every single day. But whatever, it's easier to manage, right? Help me feel better about myself, please, and the choices I make. But anyways, like I was saying, the only thing I'm sad about, and that I thought about way too late, was graduation. It didn't hit until afterwards. Like, oh crap, I cut my hair and now, like, what about graduation? But then I thought, it's okay because your friends know how to do hair. So, like, hello, I could just install some extensions. No big deal, right? What time is it? Oh, it's 7:32. I'm running so late. Well, my mom doesn't live far from me, so that's fine. I'll be there in like 5 minutes. Okay, I gotta go. Because I still gotta do my lashes and yes. My mom's gonna be like, I've been waiting for you. It took you so long. My hair, lady. It was my hair. It rained and I was so unaware. Okay, so hold on, because it's like raining. Why did nobody tell me it was gonna rain today? I mean, I'm still gonna go to my mom's house. I'm already up and ready, but what am I supposed to do all day? Don't come at me for how I'm doing my eyelashes, okay? I have like what is it called? Those eyelashes que son ay, ¿cómo les dicen? Dos pestañas que son oh, pestañas de tejabán. My eyelashes aren't like up. They're very, I don't know, they're rebellious. They do whatever they want. They don't curl up. I have to. Have you ever used a spoon to curl your lashes? Because I haven't. I swear that's the only thing that works for my type of lashes. Because they do whatever they want. Yeah, and this is the mascara I use. The Super Lash Mascara by Apple. If you know, you know. And if you don't, then baby. Then baby, let me put you on. I started using this mascara when I was like in middle school. Wow, I really look like an egg right here. And this is the lip oil from e.l.f. in shade Rose Envy. She's that girl. I love her. I don't really use like lip. Hold on. Holds on. What was I saying? Oh yeah, I don't use like a lot of lip glosses or like lip liners anymore. I've been sticking to lip oils and they've been working. I mean, they do what they gotta do. And it's not sticky, so that's what I like about it. Okay. Mood? Anyways. Buckle up, okay? It's gonna be a bumpy ride. Quitos parejos. Just finished the walk. I was literally gonna go and get a car wash today because my car is really dirty and I really need a vacuum it and stuff, but it's raining, so there's literally no point for me to do that. So now we're gonna go home and I'm gonna make some breakfast and I'll see what else I do. Probably just clean or something, but I don't really have nothing going on for today. It's a chill, boring day. Welcome to my non-aesthetic kitchen. I have these little microphones, but I don't know if they work. Can you hear me? Do these work? I don't know. Is it properly plugged in? Probably not, but we're going to roll with it. Anyways, I'm gonna make myself some breakfast, and I'm debating if I should make myself a matcha or a coffee. Or should I do both? I don't know. I'll see right now. But let's get to cooking. It's been a couple hours now and I've done absolutely nothing. It's about to be 1 o'clock, so I'm going to start making dinner. I think today I'm going to make pollo guisado. I've never made it before, but it seemed, I was looking at some recipes on TikTok and it looks very easy, but I don't know. And it looks really good too, so we're gonna make that. I'm gonna wash the dishes real quick and then I'm gonna get started on the chicken. So let's see how it goes. It's my first time making this. I don't even know if I did it correctly. I'm pretty sure I didn't, but I'll see how it tastes. Alright you guys, I'm gonna end off the video right here. After I did the food, I didn't really do anything else for the rest of the day. So thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.